tragic story behind the death of these two men. Saqib Hussain and Mohammed Hashim Ijazuddin. TikTok influencer Mahek Bukhari found guilty of murdering men in crash. This story has an ingredients of lies, blackmail, murder plot and sex tapes. Mahek Bukhari with a bold plan to silence her mother's former lover after he threatened her family with blackmail. Bukhari and her mother Ansreen were convicted over the deaths of Saqib Hussain and Mohammed Hashim Ijazuddin, who died when their Skoda virtually split in two and caught fire after a car chase. TikTok influencer Mahek Bukhari sobbed in the dock as she was found guilty of murdering her mother's lover and his friend in a high-speed car chase. Her mother Ansreen Bukhari was also found guilty of the murders following a trial at Leicester Crown Court. Saqib Hussain and Mohammed Hashim Ijazuddin, both 21, died when their Skoda virtually split in two and caught fire after leaving the A46 dual carriageway near Leicester before hitting a tree in the early hours of the 11th of February, 2022. Prior to her arrest, Mahek Bukhari had developed a reputation as an online personality, frequently sharing makeup and lifestyle tips as well as fashion advice. With nearly 130,000 followers on TikTok, 45,000 on Instagram and 3,900 subscribers to her YouTube channel, Mahek was beginning to create a name for herself beyond her immediate circle. A scroll down her social media platforms reveals a fashion graduate with numerous friends, who spent her weekends partying in Manchester and dancing to 10-second music clips in her family bedroom. Mahek, 24, who was known to her followers as Maya, hatched the plan when 46-year-old Ansreen admitted she had been having an affair and was being blackmailed by her 21-year-old lover after trying to end the relationship. Saqib Hussain was threatening to send sex tapes to Ansreen's husband if she did not pay back the $3,000 he had spent on dates with her. The mother and daughter set a trap, a court was told, by arranging an ambush meeting in a supermarket car park in Leicester, where the women arrived in an Audi with other people they knew in a Saab. Mr. Hussain and his friend Mohammed Hashim Ijazuddin, also 21, did not get out of their Skoda and when they left were followed by the other cars. By the time the two men, from Banbury, Oxfordshire, reached the A46 dual carriageway, the Audi had reached speeds of almost 100 miles per hour. "They're trying to ram us off the road," Mr. Hussain is heard saying in a panicked 999 call played to jurors during the Bukhari's trial. "Please, I'm begging you, I'm going to die." There is a scream before the call cuts out at the sound of a loud bang. When the police came to her house, Mahek lied about where she had been on the night of the crash, claiming, "First we stayed here and then we went straight to Nottingham." After her arrest, she changed her story, admitting she was on the road that night, but telling officers in an interview, "As soon as I turn around the silver car is gone." The silver car swerved, to not my side, to the other side of the dual carriageway. "I didn't see the car, I didn't see a bang." During her trial, Mahek admitted she had repeatedly lied to police. Leicestershire Police's Detective Inspector Mark Parrish said, "I think sometimes it's been very hard for the families to grasp, to hear different accounts. No real admission of guilt or feelings for the lads that died." Thank you, it has been a pleasure you guys joining us and watching our crime update videos. Please subscribe below, this will help our channel to expand to others across the YouTube network.